Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to be cooking scallop risotto, and let's get right into it. So I just got in the house from grocery shopping at my favorite Wegmans. I don't know if you can see it or not, but before I unload the groceries, let me wash my hands. Safety first, health first. Okay. Ooh, should not have grabbed that from the top like that. My cheesecake. If you don't know, Wegmans has the best cheesecake. So good. And not to mention, super clumsy, their cookies. Their cookies are so good as well. They're like fresh baked. Is this bag seriously tearing already? It's like my second time using this bag. And they want to charge me $1. Alright. I'm not really gonna lay everything out like I did before, but pretty much for this recipe we need scallops, mushroom, vegetable or chicken stock, it's up to you, lemon, truffle oil, but instead of buying truffle oil, I bought black truffle spread, and then I'm gonna saute it in the oil. It's supposed to be, what kind of cheese is that? Parmesan cheese. I thought this was Parmesan cheese, so I figured why buy cheese when I have some in the house, but it's actually mozzarella, so we're gonna make it do what it do. You need butter, pepper, salt, garlic cloves. I was supposed to buy a shallot. Yeah, I'm sure that's how you say it. But I couldn't find it in the grocery store. I was kind of getting irritated. So I'm going to use the onion that I have in here. I believe it's in the same family, so shouldn't make a difference. And, oh, the rice. Arborio rice. I think I'm pronouncing it right. But this is how you make the risotto. All right, let's get started. Shout out to Shawnee, you know who you are. She actually sent me this recipe because I requested it. You know, she was cooking on Instagram, showed a picture, and the food looks so good. So I was like, girl, what's the recipe? So shout out to her because she sent it to me, and she actually got it from HelloFresh, I believe. But I have that here on my laptop, so that's where I'm getting ingredients from, or the directions. Step number 1, bring 4 cups of water and stock concentrates to a boil. I'm just gonna do 2 cups of water and 2 cups of the vegetable stock. So while that comes to a boil, I'm gonna chop up my onion along with the garlic clove. Who are these onions? So pretty much what I did was put some oil in a pan, chop up some onion and some garlic, and now I am cooking that. Alright, now what I just did was add 3/4 cup of rice to the garlic and the onions, and now I'm gonna not saute it, but just let it get brown a little bit for a good 60 seconds. And after that, we're gonna add a 1/2 cup of the broth. Although it's more than that, but according to the directions, it says add it every 1/2 cup for whatever reason. Oops. So the rice is slowly becoming translucent, because when I first poured the rice into this pan, it was like all white. But I guess the purpose of doing this is so it can become a little translucent. So I'm gonna leave it in a little longer before I add the broth. Whew, it's hot up in here, it's hot. All right, let's see what these directions say. Okay, easy peasy. So you want to wait until the broth kind of absorbs into the rice and everything. And once it is, you're going to add another 1/2 cup. right now. I turned it down so it can simmer. So you want the base to become a little creamy. So that's just what I'm keeping an eye out for. And also, as it sits, it's going to absorb into the rice. All right, add a little more. How about I put this over here? Way better. Now we're going to take the mushrooms. So I'm trying to get the mushrooms very crispy. I don't want them soggy at all. Almost there. So, I thought I already had parsley flakes, but this is cilantro. You guys see it? This is cilantro. So now I have to improvise. I have parsley flakes, but it's not fresh parsley, but hey, it's gonna get the job done. Okay, I don't have parsley flakes. So, I'm just gonna skip that step.